unleashing chaos, understanding, open a can of worms. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that's as vivid as it is intriguing. Open a can of worms. This expression is a treasure trove for language learners, offering insights into the beauty of idiomatic language. Join us as we unravel the meaning, origins, and usage of this colorful phrase. Whether you're a beginner or advanced learner, this exploration promises to add a unique phrase to your linguistic toolkit. The phrase, "open a can of worms," refers to creating a complex, troublesome situation that's difficult to resolve, especially by revealing or involving oneself in something that is better left undisturbed. Imagine opening a literal can filled with worms. They wriggle out in unexpected and uncontrollable ways. Similarly, the figurative can of worms represents a Pandora's box of problems or complications that were not apparent before the can was opened. While the exact origins of "open a can of worms" are a bit murky, it's believed to have fishing connotations. Worms, used as bait in fishing, would often be stored in a can. When opened, the worms could escape, creating a mess and a difficult situation to manage. Over time, this literal scenario translated into the idiomatic expression we use today, symbolizing the act of inadvertently creating a complex problem while attempting to solve another. Understanding an idiom also means knowing how to use it in context. Here are some examples. Initiating the discussion on budget cuts has really opened a can of worms at the office. I wanted to ask about the company's return policy, but I felt like it would open a can of worms about their customer service issues. When the mayor proposed the new city plan, he didn't realize he was opening a can of worms with the local residents. These sentences illustrate how the phrase can be used in various contexts to describe the act of starting something that leads to unexpected and complicated issues. For English language learners, idioms like "open a can of worms" offer a peek into the cultural and metaphorical layers of the language. Here are a few tips. Context is key. Pay attention to the scenario in which the phrase is used to grasp its meaning. Practice makes perfect. Try using the phrase in your conversations or writing, but ensure it fits the situation. Idioms add flavor. Incorporating idioms into your language use can make your English more natural and expressive. We hope this exploration of "open a can of worms" has been enlightening and adds an interesting phrase to your English vocabulary. Idioms like these enrich our language, providing colorful ways to express complex ideas. Remember, learning a language is a journey filled with discoveries. Each phrase and idiom is a stepping stone to fluency. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.